I am going to do the petals using buttonhole stitch. I'll start from here. Just pick it up here over here and put the needle round. That's all. A simple stitch. Again from here. Don't leave too much gap between two stitches. This is known as the buttonhole stitch or the blanket stitch. Simple. That's all. After completing the first petal, I am going to do the second petal also exactly the same way. Using buttonhole stitch. Exactly the same way I am going to do it. Don't leave, try not to leave too much gap between two stitches. The same thing I am going to do. For the stems, I am going to use simple stem stitch. The thread should be on your left hand side. Take a very small stitch. That is all. That is all. Simple stem stitch. After completing the stem stitch, I will do the leaf now using the same green thread. I will first fill up the leaf using satin stitch. I will do it this way. Horizontal stitches. And take the stitches very close to each other. Try and take the stitches close to each other. First I will use horizontal stitches. Satin stitch. This way I am going to first fill up the leaf using satin stitch. Try not to leave gap between two stitches. This is the first thing that I will do. After completing the leaf with satin stitch, I have taken this thread. I'll start from here. I will go up like this. Then take the thread and go round the needle at least 16 times. And when you are going round the needle, take the thread very loosely. After you have finished doing that, slowly start pulling the needle. Slowly start pulling the needle. After pulling the needle, just arrange this thread a little bit and put the needle down over here. That's all. I have done 3 lines like this, and I am going to do the same thing for the other leaf also. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.